This girl. I don't know. She takes forever every single day. I hope it doesn't happen today, even though it happens every day. Hi, my name's Alyssa, and I cough up blood every single day. This bitch is gonna cough up blood on me. I'm going over here. We're coming. These are my friends. Karen. By the way, she's not a Karen. She's actually a very nice person. And Trixie. She's a nice person, but she's kind of stubborn. I'm scared. What if it happens today? Hopefully it doesn't. If it does, then we'll be here to support you. I'll go get the nurse. Ew, I'm feeling it. Oh gosh. Go get the nurse. I will. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Trixie. Welcome. I almost fell on it. Ow. He's coming. Alright, come with me. Stop making fun of her just because she coughs up blood. Would you like if you got laughed at and you coughed up blood, would you like it? Well, no. So don't! I'm telling! Go on! We gotta get out of here. It's me. Whatever. You can go sit down. I'll go get you your medicine. Where is it? Where is it? Aha! Found it! Finally. What would you like to drink? I don't know. Just a water. Alright then. There. Just call me if you need any help or if you're done, alright? Yeah. Alright. Grab a paper towel if you need one. Alright. No. Be strong, Melissa. Oh my, Alyssa. Oh, dog. Alyssa? Alyssa. Yeah. Oh, boy, Alyssa. Oh no. Let me call your parents. Get back into bed if you have the strength. Hello? Hi, this is, the nurse of, Kari School. This is the nurse of Kari School. And, your daughter has coughed up blood, like, immediately once she got into school. And, anyways, and she was taking her medicine, I think, and when I came back, I found her on the floor with her cup of water on the ground and her medicine on the ground. You need to come right away. Okay, we're coming now. Oh no. Goodbye. Bye. Alright. Your parents are on their way. Whoops. Alright. They should be coming soon. Alright, I got her backpack and her things. Oh, okay, good. What the heck was that? Oh. Oh, I'm so worried. We're taking her to the doctor. Yes. Alright, well, you guys have a nice day. Mom? Dad? Oh, honey! Oh, I'll bring her to the car. You take her backpack. Alright. Come on, honey. What? I hope she's gonna be alright.